Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another Hobonichi Weeks Plan with Me, where I'm actually using a sticker sheet from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. This was part of her advent calendar. Actually, this was, I think, her luxury advent calendar, and every month has a different sticker sheet. So I'm so happy to basically have sticker sheets for the rest of this year. So this is like a really beautiful, pretty winter wonderland, and JoJo actually draws all of these herself. So I'm so happy to support her shop, and I cannot wait to use it this week. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually use my Tombow Dual brush pen and just write in such a light color. Is it even showing up? No, it's barely showing up. Do I still want to do it? Yes. Add a little bit of color. Gosh. Yeah, it's barely showing up. Huh. And like if I draw the line right down, you can somewhat see it. Okay. All right. So what I want to actually use is this big window, because I think it's gorgeous. But then I'm going to use this sled in my Hobonichi Cousin spread. But like, it's so big, and yes, it takes up so much of the space, but with the way that I use my Hobonichi Weeks, it's fun to just decorate. Let's just put it right here. And if you guys hear that buzzing in the background, that is my laptop kind of going at full power here. It's like, you know, a laptop is getting old when it's making such really loud noises like that. So let's, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Really just adding in little touches here and there. Actually, I don't want to do too much because I know I'm going to use this in my Hobonichi Cousin. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? Like, I want to leave myself enough for the Hobonichi Cousin. Maybe just take the January and really just place it just like that. Very simple spread. I almost wish that her sticker was cut out here so that I could place it with the stickers, knowing that, anyway. But yeah, very simple so far. I don't know if I want to add too much at the bottom. You know what? I will add that candle down at the bottom here in the corner with a snowflake. And then the rest I'm going to use in my Hobonichi Cousin. There we go. Still leaves me some room to write, but then I also have the notes pages in the back, so it's not a big deal. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write in my meetings. So there's the overall finished spread. Really simple, wintry, but very, very pretty. And I decided to just stick to a simple black ink. This is Pilot Iroshizuku Take Sumi, and it's so smooth in my Pilot Kakuno. Absolutely love it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. This is a very simple, quick plan with me. You don't need to add a lot of decoration in order to make something stand out. Love that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.